We want to turn negative numbers red. We have a bunch of sales, some prices, some costs, and we have these profits. We want to know, obviously we can see the number. We want to know what's positive, what's negative, but we want to be able to see that super clearly. So let's select the entire D column. We're going to go to Format, Conditional Formatting. Now here on the right side, we can change our format rules, greater than or less than, and we'll do 0. And we'll turn this fill color to red. We can also change the text color if we want to really amp it up a little bit. However, I want to show you one interesting thing. We have the D column as the range. Let's change this to the A column to the D column. And instead of this format rules with this sort of easy less than, we're going to change this to custom formula is. We're going to say equals D1 is less than 0. Now, over on the left side, you can see the sales column is red. But if I put a $sign in front of the D, the entire row is highlighted red. This makes data sort of looking and searching much, much easier. Click done. That is the whole row. You're watching Better Sheets here on YouTube. Make sure you check out this video or this video and subscribe right now to get more tips, tricks, how-tos, get more out of your Google Sheets than you ever have before. I'm excited to be making a ton more videos here. Ask me questions down in the comments and I will answer them in future videos. But for right now, right here, one of these videos is going to be your next Google Sheet.